6,000 fixed monthly incentives.
We can do it!
I am 70 years old and we are both retired.
We made money on this business already. This is the reason why I'm encouraging my relatives to join us too.
You will never regret being a business owner in our community. We are now over 200,000 in 6 continents and counting.
Smile!
I'm encouraging not only my relatives, but also my in-laws. It all begins here. Your vision, your time, your business. What we offer, tools and services to set you up for success so that you have the freedom to live the life you've always dreamed of. Yung isang kasama ko sa negosyong ginagawa ko ngayon, dating housekeeper, caregiver, at paycheck to paycheck na buhay. Ngayon ay may-ari ng bahay sa Ontario, Canada, at nakabili pa ng 3 rental properties. Exceptional training, step-by-step learning modules to guide you to the process. No experience necessary. Sa negosyong ginagawa ko ngayon, hindi mo kailangan ng experience, hindi mo kailangang mahusay ka sa Ingles, hindi mo kailangang ma-social media ka, o kaya ay text savvy. Walang selling dito, walang recruiting, and no follow-ups. It's tested and proven system. No need to reinvent the wheel. Our robust system will be at your fingertips. Dito sa North America, maging sa ibang parte ng mundo, hindi basihan ang taas ng pinag-aralan upang umasenso ka sa buhay. Kumbaga, diskarte lang yan. Why a business from home? Time, freedom, less stress, better quality of life, more time with family. Create more flexible schedule that suit your preferences and lifestyle. You choose when to start and end your day. We all love being a nurse or being an RN or any nursing jobs we do. But in the business we are doing now, we are the one controlling our future.
Our method of success is simply action.
Take action and do it now!
Travel without financial worries. Attain financial freedom. How? What's our free webinar? www.bestdigitalteam.com.
You will never regret being a business owner in our community.
We made money on this business already. This is the reason why I'm encouraging my relatives to join us too.
6,000 fixed monthly incentives.
We can do it!
Let's win this together.